आवाज आएगा।
Hello everyone. My name is Sobi from Ateneo Woodpecker Batch. This is my Python project on file organizer. Basically, this is a Python script by which you can organize your file available in your computer in any directory by running this file into the command panel. With few comments, we will discuss it later. So this project is on basically you can organize your file anywhere where any directory. If you have to keep the directory path to the command panel and you can run it, and then it will automatically organize your file according to the extension of that file, or according to the size of that file, and or according to the last modified date. If you want anything kind of like, if you want according to last modified date, you can choose between the option which one you want according to date, according to size, or according to extension. And basically in this project we have used Python language and some of the Python modules like OS module, Circle module, function match module, click module, and the program is written through the function recursion way, and that is it. Now I am going to show you the code and the working process. This is my code file organizer.py. It is in the directory called file organizer. In this directory there are some of files we have. I will show you one by one how this file will organize according to date, according to size, or according to extension, and with the default directory and with the given directory. Now at first, if we write something Python file organizer by help command. If we put the help command, okay, sorry, cannot open the file organizer, no such file or directory. Okay, there is something like directory problem. Okay. You have to change the directory. 1 minute. Okay, now it is in the main directory. Okay, here if we write that file organizer help command, now this is the help command. Here we can see all the command available in this file. Actually, by that way we can organize the file. At first, if we want to organize the file according to the extension by the default path, or and the default organizing way is the according to last modified date. At first I will show all the default things. I will not give any kind of path or any kind of option. It will automatically organize the file in the default path with the last modified date, according to last modified date. Okay, now if I run this command, look in this file, that file organizer file is available in this directory. Actually it is organized by the last modified date, according to the last modified date. As the file was present in this file, this is the default directory. Now if I go to the default, if I give the I will show you the according to the file of according to the given directory and according to the desired extension or the desired way to organize the file. Now we have to change the directory to access that file. Actually, if I move this file into the main file, okay, now it's fine. Okay. Now if I give the desired file, look, I will give this project testing one in this file directory, and it will organize in that file all the files according to the given data. Okay, now if I give the path, project testing one, and if I want to organize the file according to extension, okay, now in the project file testing one in this directory, all the files are organized by the extension. Here is all the image file, and here all the plain text file .txt extension, and here all the Python, that is Python extension, and all the YAML extension. Now if I want to see that the organizing according to the size, file size. Now if I change the directory, now if I give project testing 2 and keyword according to the size, in the project testing 2, it is now organized by the size. All the file above something like, here is the data. If the file is, if the file size is over the 16,000 KB, then it will be automatically in the gigantic file, and according to that one, and less than 16,000 it is huge, and the less than 10,000 it is large, and the less than 10,000 is large, and that on less than 100 it is medium, and less than 10 it is small. Now there are few files, and according to that size. Now all the things happen, and now if I give that thing like previously I have shown you, I have shown that by default it is it will organize the file according to the date, and I have shown that file also by the default path. Now if you want to see with the directory, now if I can give the directory file, like if I give the project testing 3, this is according to date. In the project testing file, it is organized by according to date. That's all the features in this Python script available. Thank you.